Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today is day 12. I did not walk yesterday. I have not walked today. I have a headache today. I had class this morning. I have a sinus headache. So I'm not going to have a long video at all today. On my video yesterday, I went to Sprouts and I got some alfalfa sprouts and I've eaten them. And then I got a message from my friend that they have a recall on them and I've already eaten some. So today, what I'm going to do is make some sprouts. These are the sprouts I have. These are the seeds that I have. And I got them from Rainbow Heirloom Seed.co. They're out of Cottonwood, Arizona. And they have Waltham 29 broccoli, Michi, let me see what that say. Michi Hilly cabbage, Premier kale, and turnips. They're non-GMO. And they're heirloom variety. I'm actually going to plant some of these too and see what I get. I don't know which seed is which, but I don't have any turnips, so I'm just going to plant these. And I know turnip leaves look different, so hopefully I get lucky and what I plant is a bunch of turnips. But I'm actually going to plant these and see what I get with my stuff outside when I go to plant tomorrow. But what I'm going to do is start some in this jar so I can have my own. So just pour a little bit in here to fill the bottom. And this is what I've been making them in when I was making my told you I was making them and I stopped. I just put enough to cover the bottom, which that'll fill the whole jar up. It might be a little bit too much. But anyway, that's what I have. You can see in there. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but you see the bottom of it. That's what I have. And I have these tops that I got off of Amazon maybe two or 3 years ago when I first started doing them. But the air holes on there so won't no bugs and nothing getting in there. Initially I was doing it with cheesecloth and then I found out that they had the top. So I'm going to get me a bottle of water and pour it in here. This is my water and I'm just going to pour it in here, and you're supposed to change the water, rinse it twice a day. So it's nighttime, so I'll wait. I put this water in here for the day. And then tomorrow, and you just need enough to saturate it, to cover it up, to keep the seeds wet, soak the seeds. And it'll take 3 or 4 days for it to sprout. Just like when I said my stuff outside takes 3 or 4 days. Generally, brassicas, greens, sprout in about 3 or 4 days. And I haven't been out there today because I have a headache. And it's not a bad headache. It's just one of those like, I don't know. And it's probably too, I haven't been drinking enough liquids. Yesterday I didn't, and I don't think I did the day before. And haven't today either. So I'm going to get me a big old thing of water and drink it. I've had some tea today, and I've had some okra water. But I haven't had, I try to drink at least 64 ounces, 68 I think it is. 68 ounces a day of liquids, and I haven't had that today. You actually should drink half of your body weight in water, in liquids. I won't say it really doesn't have to be water. It should be a decent liquid, like not a soda, but you should, a tea or water or juice or whatever you're drinking. But you should drink half of your body weight in some kind of fluids for your body. But anywho, that's this. And again, these are the, I can't pronounce stuff. You pronounce it. Whatever that is. Sulfur raffine mix. I don't know. Mixed green seed, microgreen seeds. So we have this. We'll wait. We'll show you tomorrow where I rinse it. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I usually don't do stuff on Sundays, pretty much besides go to church, and I edit my video and cook and stuff, but I ain't clean up today, so tomorrow I gotta clean up. I gotta cut my grass. I probably ain't gonna get all of it done, because I gotta cut my back grass, front grass and back grass for my HOA. Send me a freaking letter. Because my front grass needed cut, but I couldn't cut it today because the man came and put down fertilizer and stuff. And it actually needs to be watered. It's not supposed to rain until I think Monday or Tuesday. So I need to water it before then, to water in the fertilizer that they put down on it. It's granular, so I'm sure it'll be fine, but I'm sure it's something on there to say I need to water it within 24 hours, and I didn't. So I probably will water the grass tomorrow, cut it, and then water it. I probably need to water it before I cut it because my lawnmower is actually it sucks up the grass, or it might suck up the. I got the thing, put my arm on the microphone. It might suck up the fertilizer, so maybe I should water it in first, early in the morning, and then cut it in the evening. I don't know. Whatever. But anywho, that is it for my video. Oh, my number stayed the same. I don't know if I said that or not. From yesterday, nothing changed to today. And then my sugar spiked really high yesterday when I ate that oatmeal yesterday. I ate a lot. I ate whatever was left. And it spiked my sugar really high. And then it nosedived back down afterwards. So it didn't stay up long. I don't know if it was accurate because I never pricked my finger. I was like, it went up to 300. I was like, that's awfully high for some sugar. I mean, not sugar, for some oatmeal with no sugar. And it had blueberries and cranberries in there. I don't know what spiked it, but it spiked. I never checked it, but it went back down. But today hasn't been low. Let me see what it is. Because usually it's been being low. Like when it's, on this little average thing. But today, it's probably still, like if it spikes, it'll stay spiked. Yeah, it's at 140. So that's high. Because it's been being in the 20s. So if it's right. But it's supposed to change tomorrow. Usually when it's on its last day, it doesn't read accurately. It's always saying it's either like saying it's way too low and it keeps beeping and beeping and beeping, saying my sugar is 58 and 68. My sugar ain't never no 58 nor 68. My sugar don't ever go below 100. I think one time my sugar went below 100 and I was like, it can't be right. But I was outside walking and I started feeling weird. And then I was like, it must be low because I feel weird. And I got home and checked it and it was below 100, which never happens. Probably need to check it now because my head is hurting and I don't think that's accurate. It could be accurate, but I'll check it and see to make sure. And I'll let y'all know tomorrow if it was right or not. But today I ate fruit this morning because I went to class. I've eaten nuts. And then I fixed me a bowl. I ate the last of that bread I made. I made a little sandwich, open face sandwich with that. And then I had some kimchi with some hummus and a half an avocado. And what else did I eat? Oh, some of them sprouts, because I didn't find out that after I ate them that there's a recall on them. I don't know if it's a recall on the exact ones I got, but I'm not eating them no more. I'm just going to waste my little $3 because I'm not eating no more. I just wait on these sprout and eat that. And then I got that salad mix, but I haven't opened it yet because I was going to make, today I actually was going to make the fennel and apple salad. So I'll make that for y'all tomorrow. Because I don't feel like that today. And I probably won't eat nothing else. I probably grab me a handful of nuts and get me something to drink, some water to drink, and get me an apple because I don't have any more pears and I didn't go to Kroger's. Probably should have stopped and rode right past 2 Kroger's today coming from class, but I didn't. And that's going to be it. Oh, and I need to make my turmeric and ginger juice shots. So I need to do that tomorrow too. So that's all I'm going to do tomorrow. Today is a done day. It's late. It's 8:25, and I'm get ready for bed. Put my pajamas on, and I'm gonna get into bed and see if I can get me some sleep tonight. I started season 17 of Project Runway, and Tim. And if anybody watched Project Runway, I haven't watched because I quit watching TV in 2020. So I'm watching it on a streaming thing. But Tim, Hattie, and Zach are not on it. They got new people on there. What's her name? Nina's still on there. But everybody else is new and they in a different workroom and everything. And Marie Claire, they don't have them. They got L now. So I'm on season 16. I'm on episode 3. now. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know what happened to them. If anybody know what happened to them, comment below and let me know, because I didn't Google and see why they not on there no more. I know Hattie was on another show. I thought maybe that's what happened. I don't know. Well, actually, I think she was doing both of them anyway. But I don't know. I don't know what happened to all of them. I don't, because I don't watch TV or I don't watch the news. I don't do none of that. Because I don't know what's going on in the world. That's why somebody sent me the thing about the alfalfa sprouts, because they know I don't watch TV. If a storm and stuff coming, if it don't get an alert on my phone, I don't know what's coming. The world going to end and I ain't going to know. Like that movie. What was that movie? I forgot what it was, where a meteor was going to come, or asteroid or something was going to come and hit the earth. And they wasn't telling people, and only a few people knew, or they told people in the world didn't believe that's what was gonna happen. They just going on, and then it hit and everybody died. Yeah, that's gonna be me, cause I ain't gonna know when it come, the apocalypse come. I ain't gonna know what's coming, so it's just gonna swoop me up and I'm gonna be gone. Anyway. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully my sinuses will clear up and I'll feel better tomorrow. Maybe I rinse my nose out. I got one of those things that run up and down and say it out. Anyway, I keep saying it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, share, hype the video. Please hype the video so more people can see it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I see you guys mañana. Bye.